Okay guys, ever wanted a footer that combines quick links, payment icons, and a newsletter sign up all in one clean design? Well, this section makes it feel genuinely complete. Today we're adding this footer wave section to your store. So let's not waste any more time, let's jump straight into it. Open your favorite browser and search for Shopify App Store. Click on the first link. This takes you straight to the official Shopify App Store. From here, you can install any app based on your needs. Right now, we're searching for Section Kit in the search bar. This is the app that makes building your store so much easier, genuinely. Open it and install it. The process takes just a few seconds, exactly like any other Shopify app. After installing, go to Explore Sections and search for SK Footer Wave number 2. You'll find this section here. Click on More Info and purchase it. All the details are listed right below if you want to read through them. I've already purchased this one though, so let's close this and click on My Sections instead. This is where your purchase sections live. Let me scroll down and there's the section. Click on Customize, choose your favorite theme, and the section installs successfully. Now let's open it in Theme Customizer and give it a second to load. Once ready, click on Add Section and choose that section. It will be added instantly and its settings open up on the left side. First, let's add a logo. I've downloaded a reference image for this, so I'll add that one here. There's also an option to add a link behind this logo, but I don't have one ready right now, so I won't add it. Though you can add your own store's link here. Below that is the paragraph text. I'll replace this with app link in description. Right below that comes the newsletter heading, which I'll edit according to my own needs, along with its subtext. Now in the box where it says enter email, I'll replace this with enter phone, since I need customers' phone numbers instead of emails for this one. You can also change the copyright text here. Last, for the section colors, background color and text color are included here, but I don't think that needs any changes right now, since it already matches my store's color scheme perfectly, so I'll leave it as is. After all that, if you don't like this boring default font, you can easily change it. I'll replace it with pop-ins as always. You can also change the body text if you want, but I won't be touching that. Now let's close this and click on any social link. I'll select the first one for now. Here you can add a link for any platform. Just put in that platform's image and add the link below it. You'll arrange all the icons one by one this same way. After that comes payment icons, where you'll need to add logos for all the payment methods your store accepts, along with the name below each one. I'll add the Visa logo here for now, and it should be in PNG form. Now let's close this and click on the menu columns. Here too, you can change the links, names, and heading for each row. I don't have any links ready right now, so I'll just add a product here to show you how it works, but you can add a page or any external link. Once you're happy with everything, hit save and this section goes live on your store. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like and let me know in the comments if you run into any issues. I read every single one and I'm always happy to help.